Around 2000 BCE, hunter-gatherers established permanent settlements on Yucatan's limestone shelves, beginning one of history's most remarkable civilizations. Arriving from various Mesoamerican regions, settlers were drawn by resources like deer, peccary, and plants that sustained year-round habitation. Settlers first lived in simple pit houses with wood frames and palm thatch, offering tropical shelter that was easy to build. Evidence from Nakbe and Cuello shows communities of 50 to 200 people, a size sustained by purely local resources. The ancient Yucatan landscape was different, with denser forests, consistent rain, and water sources that supported early agricultural experiments. Inhabitants found cenotes, natural limestone sinkholes, gave reliable fresh water in dry seasons, determining settlement locations for generations. These pioneering communities began cultivating squash and beans, supplementing hunting and gathering activities with predictable, controlled food sources. Women processed plants using grinding stones called metates, technology from their homelands that remained unchanged for thousands of years. Settlers fashioned tools from chert and obsidian, materials traded from distant regions, showing early participation in exchange networks. Initial pottery production was simple and utilitarian, featuring undecorated vessels used mainly for cooking and storage, not ceremony. Social organization centered on extended families, with leadership likely based on age, experience, and kinship, not formal political structures. Communities cleared small forest plots using stone axes and fire, a slash-and-burn milpa technique that would define Mayan agriculture. Maize cultivation appeared around 1500 BCE, though it initially served as a supplementary crop rather than the future dietary staple. Children learned survival skills by participating in daily activities. Boys joined hunts, while girls mastered plant processing and pottery. Settlers buried their dead under house floors or nearby, sometimes accompanying them with simple offerings like tools or pottery. Seasonal patterns governed life. The rainy season was for agriculture, while the dry season allowed hunting, gathering, and construction. Early religious practices likely involved animistic beliefs about nature, though archaeological evidence provides limited insight into specific rituals. Communities maintained contact with neighboring settlements using established trails, allowing them to exchange goods, information, and marriage partners. Stone tool production needed specialized knowledge, leading some individuals to develop expertise in knapping techniques for effective implements. Settlements expanded gradually as agricultural success supported larger populations, though growth was slow compared to later Mayan periods. Inhabitants adapted construction techniques over generations, learning which palm species made durable thatch and which woods resisted tropical decay. By 1500 BCE, settlements established foundational Yucatec life patterns, sedentary villages, mixed subsistence strategies, and regional trade participation. The success of these communities, exploiting cenotes, forest resources, and emerging agricultural techniques, created conditions for future population growth. These first settlers, living simply by later Mayan standards, laid the groundwork for the complex civilization that flourished for millennia.